You may have heard the name Microsoft Office, but we have never worked in it before. Don't worry, in this clip you will get a short introduction to Microsoft Office. Come back to this channel to get more details about it. If you are already experienced with Microsoft Office, come back here too, there is always something new you can learn. Microsoft Office is a set of applications that help you perform typical Office tasks. The most known Microsoft Office applications are Microsoft Word, which is a text processor, which means you can create text documents with it. Microsoft Excel, which is a spreadsheet, which means you can do various calculations with it. Microsoft PowerPoint, with which you can create presentations. These three applications are sometimes called the greater applications. Then there is Microsoft OneNote, an often underestimated application for taking notes with, Microsoft Access, an application for creating simple databases. Microsoft Publisher, an application for creating publications like leaflets. These three applications are sometimes called the lesser applications. But that's not all. In Microsoft Office, you will also find Microsoft Outlook, which is both an email client, a calendar, a contact management application, and a task management one. Then there is Microsoft Teams, which is a collaboration tool including chat, voice and video calls, and much more. There is also OneDrive, which is your cloud storage application. And there is SharePoint, which is a content management system. All these applications are integrated with each other, so if you are, for instance, saving in an Excel file in Teams, it actually gets saved on a SharePoint site, which you can later link to your OneDrive. There are many more Microsoft Office applications, which we will not cover in this video, but we will come back to them on a later stage. You may just be starting your adventure with Microsoft Office, but you may previously have been working with other so-called productivity suites, for instance for your school assignments. For each of the three greater Microsoft Office applications, there is a corresponding one in those suites. In the solution provided by Google, you will find Google Docs, which is corresponding to Microsoft Word, Google Sheets, which is corresponding to Microsoft Excel, and Google Slides, which is corresponding to Microsoft PowerPoint. Similarly, in LibreOffice, you will find LibreOffice Writer, which is analog to Microsoft Word, LibreOffice Calc, which is analog to Microsoft Excel, and LibreOffice Impress, which is analog to Microsoft PowerPoint. And finally, in OpenOffice, you will find OpenOffice Writer, which is analog to Microsoft Word, OpenOffice Calc, which is analog to Microsoft Excel, and OpenOffice Impress, which is analog to Microsoft PowerPoint. There are, of course, differences between all these applications, but we will not focus on them here. Check out our future videos to learn more.